Okay, awesome. So I'm gonna introduce quickly the button knife library. So far you have seen it, we use 5-view by ID a lot. So actually we can get rid of it using button knife. Okay, so adding a library is easy, but just follow the tutorial here. So who know what is ABT mean? So it's a support library. So it support annotation processing. Okay, and using this, Java has a strong ability to auto generate the code. Okay, so using this plugin, the button I will use this to generate code, and they will generate 5-view by ID for you guys. You don't have to code it by yourself. Okay, so I'm gonna add it and Maven Central. So the radar will go to J Central or Maven Central over here. You can take a look. Where is it? Yeah, by default you have J Central Center, but the Maven Central, they store libraries. They store jar, they store library, radio project in there, and this library is stored in Maven Central. So you have to provide it so the radio can find it on the cloud. Okay, so I gotta provide it over here, and then dependency, copy it here. So who have Java 8? Who already use Java 8 for coding? Okay. So I just asked. So in this assignment rule, you can use Java 8. It will reduce a lot of code. You retro lambda and reduce a lot of syntax. Okay. So I just remind you, and then add this into. Sorry, I have to apply the plugin first. I gotta go to radio over here. So right here, you apply the plugin, then you add the library. Very easy. Okay, sing it. So I'm gonna do a quick introduce. Okay, I'm gonna text a Y. Okay, so last time I have introduced that AU private accessor, right? With a letter M here. So this guy is private too. So I think it's a little bit inconsistency here. But because in production code, I usually write something like this. Okay, you can use button knife now. And all you need to just give it 90. Okay, and remove the private because I will explain it in no time. Okay, I gotta do it very quickly. I gotta remove the private accessor, and in here you call button knife by this. Okay, so what is there? In the past, button knife we use reflection. Who know reflection? Who know Java reflection? Okay, Java reflection is you can go and find all the method and call it by yourself. For example, I have a main activity, right? I gotta find a class. Okay, I gotta get annotation of the class. Okay, so I can find the add by view annotation over there, or I can find maybe method. Get method. Okay, so you're gonna return all the method for you, and you can even invoke a method. Okay, I don't remember how to invoke it, but maybe, yeah, I don't remember how to invoke it, but you can call a method. Okay, by reflection. So in runtime, it will go to your class, find where is the annotation. Okay, and then it's gonna call 5-view by ID and your class, because you have passed it here. Okay, and it will, for example, you pass it here as the main activity, right? So under the hood, it can call LV movie, right? And under the hood, it will 5-view by ID for you. Okay, that's in the past, but it's very slow. Java reflection is slow because it has to go to the class, find all the method. Okay, so it's slow. But now, button I have changed into using annotation processor. So it will generate code for you. For example, I gotta build this project. Okay, and see what happened. Okay. Okay, take one. Okay, the build folder over there generated. You can take a look. Okay. Debug. Okay. Main activity view binding. Okay, I go further. Okay, and so why I have to remove the accessor private? Because it will try to access it. See? So the target here, we pass it by this in button I by this. Okay, and so we have to remove the private accessor so it can connect this one, and then it has some util functionality. If you go further, and you will see that it configure view by ID for you. Okay, so using annotation processor, Java can auto generate code, and it have the runtime faster. So in the runtime, we don't have to go to the class, go to the object, find the method, find the annotation is slow. So that's in the past. But now they generate the code for you. Actually, under the hood, we call this function and call file view by ID. Okay, but they did it for you. You can remove only the file by ID method. Is that clear? Any question? Okay, so it generated code for you. Actually, they call file view ID, but they do it for you. You don't have to do stuff like this. Okay, okay, I'm gonna try to run it. Hopefully it works. So remember, try to buttonize by this. Okay, it's still working. Okay, so there is a lot of method over there. I gotta go to adapter. Okay, so you can even buy it in view holder over there. Okay, maybe create constructor. Sorry, maybe item view or something. Okay, and I can call buttonize. Okay, by with the target. Okay, and the item view. So over here, it will try to call file by ID on the item view, and by that, and by the value into this within this view holder. Okay, and remember to put by view. Okay, it's clear. Okay, you can try it at home. Okay, awesome. So that's the button knife. It's remove boilerplate code. Okay, which are data binding. Okay, is it cool? Okay, awesome. So in maybe 2005, 2015, Android had released data binding. So if you guys do front end, HTML, JS, or rendering server, you can see that they bind the data in the layout, right? HTML, PHP, Ruby, any guys that render server, they bind the data in the layout. So it had pros and cons. For example, I gotta do a quick overview. So using data binding, you can set the model into the layout. Okay, and you don't have to go set test, or even you don't have to use glitch. Okay, we can create a binding method to do that right on the layout. Okay, I'm gonna try this. Okay, very quickly. Okay, I gonna, because some of you know a lot, so I want to introduce this library. This is not a library, it's in the core of Android. But if you want to enable it, you have to go to Radar over here. Sorry, over here, and come on, data binding. Okay, enable it. Okay, I am seeing it. So check a little bit. Okay, so I go back to my adapter. So you have to see that we have to do a lot of code like set test. We do configuration here. So we can remove all of this code. Okay, using that data binding. So I gotta do it now. Sorry. Okay, I gotta create a layout. See. So what is layout? A layout contains your XML file over here and the data that you want to buy. Okay, so here I have data. Okay, I gotta import some stuff. I want to import my package. Maybe model, movie. Okay, and I want a variable. So a variable need to have a name, a model, movie. So awesome. I put it down here, and then you can buy it easily. For example, text view over here. You can go with the namespace app. Okay, they will try to parse your XML and add data binding through namespace app. Okay, and sorry for customized adapter. I will explain it later. But for simple text here, you can go with this one. Model. See? Awesome. Title. Done. So if you want to use this layout, normally it's still working. It's still working. Okay. So if you write this in data binding style and you still can use this layout normally. You don't have to worry about it. As I remember, it will try to parse this layout into the normal layout that you see before, and then it try to extract the method into set test. Okay, text view set test model dot get title. So it will automatically add the get before the title. Okay, become get title. You can click here and then we go to get title. See, very cool, right? So to save time, maybe you have a view with a lot of attribute, a lot of tests. You can do this. Okay.
If I want to check not null condition, like when I get the data from the server and I want to check the not null condition.
So you want to put logic, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so my advice is never ever put logic here. So I have it in the slide. So use data binding, you can easily bind model with a layout, right? But careful. So I have explained before, model is just model. Okay? It carry data and it should be immutable. Okay? So I'm gonna introduce a new stuff here. It's view model. View model is not like view model in MVVM. Okay, it's not like that. It's very easy. View model is the model that based on the view. Okay, so the model come from the server, and the model you display on the view may be different. Okay, so the model in your view, maybe you have a checkbox, right? So a checkbox can change its value. It can go to be checked it or not. So it's mutable, right? The data is mutable. It can be changed. Okay, so in the layout, I suggest to use view model. So view model is just another virtual class, virtual plan on Java object. Okay, that you create. So, for example, I have article here. Sorry, maybe it was in Java. Where? I have movie here. Okay, so maybe I can put in new stuff like view model. Okay, and then I create a new class. Sorry, new class. Article. So you don't have to use this stuff. It's up to you guys. So in here, okay, you might have a constructor. I gonna copy the article. Movie. Sorry, my God. Your assignment true gonna be article. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna copy this guy very quickly. I don't need this stuff. Okay, I generate getter and setter. This time we have setter. Okay, so view model should only be modified by the main thread of Android. So I'm gonna explain it. An application have many threads, right? So the main thread is where your Android application run. It's if you have learned Java, you have main function, right? Public, static, void, main. So activity application do have that function. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys quickly. Maybe I go to sort activity or something. Activity here. So maybe it's in the looper. I don't remember. Public static. No. Okay. I gotta go further into activity. And okay, I gotta try to find handler thread. It's somewhere here. Handler. It's here. And I gotta find where it's initialize. Okay. Handler thread. Okay, maybe I show it later. I don't remember where the public static void main come, but they do have one, and they will create a main thread for you. So view model should only be modified by your Android thread. Okay, don't try to modify it in another thread. Okay, because it's mutable. I go back to my movie view model. View model. Okay, so in here you can put logic. Okay. Vinny? Yeah, so in here you can put logic, whatever you want. For the view model, maybe you want something, server will, maybe they give you a string and you want to combine into color. Okay, so you put logic here. Okay, and then you may have a constructor, you know, to transform your model into view model. Okay, so for simple model you don't need this. Okay, for example, for simple model you don't need this. You just buy it right into your layout. But if you go to large company and good architecture, you might need this one. I just introduced. Okay, and I gotta go back to my stuff here, and here I gotta buy the overview. Okay, so I gotta go with text, and very easy overview. Okay, so how I gotta do with image view? You know, you try it.
Yes.
Okay, awesome. So you do binding adapter, right?
Yes, I buy HTML layout and I have to
Interface. Like what? So normally we can use an binding adapter. Do you use this guy?
Yes.
Awesome. So that's it. We create a new class. Maybe I don't want. Maybe I put it the name binding utils. Okay, I gonna explain it. Just bear a little bit with me. Binding adapter over here. Okay, and then I gotta pass in an image view. Sorry. Come on. I should put it in a function. Public void image URL something. I gotta put it here, and I want a string. It's your URL. Okay. How can I do this? Okay. And then I will give this the name. Maybe image URL. I'm gonna explain it later. And in your adapter, okay, you can copy this guy. Okay, over there. But okay, I'll copy this. Where is it? Here. Okay, so but I don't have the context. I don't have one. So I can try to get the context from, you know, the image view. Okay. So it's gonna try to get the parent context. Maybe activity, maybe application context. Okay. And okay. Okay, I need URL. and an image. Okay, I cannot check the condition here. Maybe we're gonna check the condition where else. Okay, so basically we have this guy, and when in the combine time, okay, at annotation processor, we try to find in all of your class, okay, and it's find this annotation, okay, and it's gonna generate a code this, and it's try to bind this code into your layout. So in this layout, you can put the app. So when you namespace app, when you have binding adapter, okay, and then you can do image URL, okay, that's it. And then model, it will not you know, you have to write yourself. Okay, maybe this one, sorry. Okay, so again, you use the app namespace when you need to do customize the binding adapter. And this guy, the name is the same as the name you define the binding adapter. And at runtime, data binding will try to bind this guy with this function. So you pass in the image view, you pass in the string URL, and they will try to run this function. Okay, I'm gonna try to run it. Sorry, I missed one step. Okay, I cancel it. I go back to movie adapter. I gonna command this guy, okay, and in your layout over here, okay, you can try to use data binding util, okay, and you can inflate it. They have inflate. So when it's inflate, it just call the same method that you call, and they will do extra method to bind your layout with the model. Okay, so I gonna inflate it. Maybe okay, I'm gonna see it. Layout inflator, layout ID, parent, and attack group or not. Okay, so again, very easy. Layout inflator from get context and our layout item moving parent and false. Okay, and it's gonna give you the binding item movie binding. So its naming convention is the item movie. You see over here, and it's gonna try to convert it into Java convention class. See, item movie here, item movie binding. It generates it for you. Okay, and awesome. Maybe okay, and your convert view, you can use the binding get root. Okay, so under the hood, they will try to call layer inflator, inflate this guy, and make it available in the get root. Okay, and finally, binding. Sorry, I gonna declare it over here. Binding. So view holder. Okay, somehow I have to make its binding available in here. So because we will lose it when the recycling. Okay. So lately I have never used it with list view. Okay. So I only try to use it with you know, recycling view. So just bear with me a little bit. Okay, and I gotta make the binding available, you know, in the view holder. Okay, so view holder over here, and binding equal binding. So, and then over here you can have view holder, binding, and you can set the model. See, moving. Okay, I gotta try to run this. One more step, guys. We have to ask it to execute binding immediately. So let's see. Okay, I gotta take a look. Item is new binding here, get root here, view binding. Item will be binding. Sorry. Send the graph. So what's the error? Who knows? Take a look. Am I doing anything wrong, guys? Set moving plus item again. Time ID. Component. Oh, I see. So you have to put this guy as static. Okay? My God. So it's very clear here. You have to put it as static. Okay. Wow. It's working. Less code. Okay. You see? So it's a little bit advanced, but I'm gonna introduce it. So you guys want to try it at home? Go ahead. About this, complicated logic here, you can put it into view model. Okay? So view model gonna encapsulate this logic. Okay? And you have a method to bind the URL. So it's very cool, right? So you remove a lot of code. You just bind into model and title here, overview here, and poster bar here. Okay? Any question? Is it hard to understand? Yes. So under the hood, they try to generate all the code for you. Maybe I gotta take a look. Inflate. See? Inflate. Yeah. They actually inflate the view, and they will call extra method to bind into your layout. So maybe you don't need to understand it. Just go ahead. So why I don't want to put logic into layout? Because if you put logic in your layout, it's very hard to debug. When debug run, you can add breakpoint, right? But no way you can add it in the view. Okay, so I recommend that you put no logic here. So if you misspelling the title, okay, I gotta misspelling this guy. Okay, I gotta run it. What's gonna happen? Okay, it's complain at combine time. This is good. Okay, it's complain at combine time, so you know. But if you put wrong logic in here, actually you can do logic. Maybe if say equal 1. I don't usually put logic here, so I don't know. But actually you can no if. So maybe here model, yeah, or something. No, single code. No, I don't remember. Can you put single code here? Okay, so no, don't try to put logic. Just call a method. Call a method. Let's go. Okay, that's the way I do. Okay, so I'm gonna close this out.
Compared to the old ways, this one, which one is the better performance?
Better for this guy, you have to take longer time to combine. Same performance. Okay, they do combine. They use no reflection. So Java true way. If a magic happen in Java, reflection or combine code. That's all. For other language, right? Ruby, we don't know. It's just happening. So Java is very clear. Reflection or combine. Combine time, they will generate code for you. Okay. So this guy run the same speed, same performance, but longer time to combine. Reflection, lower time to combine, but less performance. Okay, so keep that in mind. Okay, I go back to my lecture today. So today we're gonna go with, action bar. Who know action bar? Okay, a lot, so maybe we go home. Okay, defining action bar. So you can put menu item over here and try to click on that, okay, and do action. Defining action bar is very easy. You have menu. Who know menu? Okay, so I'm gonna demo it later. So we have menu. You can put it an item here, ID, icon, on click, on some stuff. I'm gonna explain later. And in your activity, you can override on create option menu and try to inflate the menu that you created. So the menu you created before, this guy, you try to inflate it in the action bar. And remember, if you do action bar, you have to have it, the theme. Okay, remember the theme? It's over here in your style. Okay, so don't try to use action bar if you use this theme. So likely when you do this theme, you can use toolbar. Later I gonna learn it in week 4 or something. Okay, so remember, use a theme to make the action bar available if you use action bar. Okay, in your activity. I gotta go back. So you can get spot action bar. So this gonna be new if you use a theme no action bar. Okay, it's gonna be new. So very be careful about this. You can set subtitle, title, you can so hide it. So do whatever you want. You can click it on the action bar. On your activity, you can override on option item selected. And you get the item ID and do a squid K. Okay? So the ID you define over here. Okay? Intent. Who know intent? So how many type intent that you have? That we have? True? What is it?
Explicit and implicit.
Awesome. Thank you. So we have intent, and you can start activity for result. So you have to do it in pre-work, right? So I don't have to explain it. And when the activity you done create something or edit something, you can set result and finish the activity. You will have it available on activity result. So I don't not gonna explain this further. So if you want to put an object passes from activity to another activity, you can use serialize. So Java by default they have serialize. For example, an article here. Finally, and I can implement serializable. Okay, and if you guys use bundle before, we can I just test it. Okay, don't do this at home. Okay, I just show you guys that we can put serializable. Okay, but it's not good for performance. We're gonna use accelable, right? Oh, you know accelable? Okay, so it's not good for performance, but it's up to you. You just implement serializable and it's ready to go. For accelable, you have to write more code. Okay, nice. I got back to lecture. And serialize bundle, very easy. You have a model, you serializable it, and you can put it as an extra, very easy. Okay, and get it out, get serializable extra. Okay, so it's here. And accelable. So by default, Android have accelable. It's a mechanism. Okay, so you will marshal the object into another type message. Okay, and we're gonna send it message into another activity. Activity take that message and unmarshal. So marshal and unmarshal is just like serialize and unserialize. Okay, it's same. So accelable, I'm gonna explain it later in the code. So for demo here, you can implement accelable, and you have to override two important methods: write to backcell and read. Okay, so write to backcell here, we have a parcel object is your message. Okay, your object will be Marshall into a parcel and pass it away into another activity, and they will unmarshal it to get your object user. Okay, so we need to write it into the message. Okay, by this guy method. So if you use Android Studio, they will generate it automatically for you. I got demo it now. So I have article over here. Okay, I got implement accessible. Okay, so use your keyboard again. Enter Alt, Enter, or Command 1 in Mac. Okay, implement your method. So the describe content here, you don't need it, but you can read it more at home. But most of the time you don't need it. Okay, and it's still wrap, right? Okay, add more, and it's gonna implement it for you. The right method gonna try to write your value into the boxer. Okay, and in here they're gonna create a creator. So under the hood, Android will call this creator. So they just create it for you. So you just use it. Under the hood, they gonna call this creator, and they create and they part in the message as a box show here, and they gonna call the constructor here, and get it out on the value on the property of your method, and return the article for you. Okay, so master your keyboard, they're gonna create for you. So if you take a look one more time, I'm gonna do it again. So implement this and this. So I have a list here, but they don't try to write for me. So why? Who knows? Who knows how to fix this? I have a list of media here. Okay, and when the code auto generated, it don't generate it for me. Okay, because this media is not implement boxable. Okay, so you have to implement boxable deep down in your object. So you have child object. Okay, so you have to implement boxable for it. Okay, I gotta do it again for the media. Okay, and then I gotta remove this guy very quickly. Okay, and implement it. Okay, I create it for you. So they discover that the media is also a boxable object, and they will have it. They have a function to write this. Okay, and they will create it for you. Okay, so what here in the class static. Okay, awesome. Question? Any question so far?
No.
Because it's very easy, right? So I gotta show the assignment rule. Okay. So this time we're gonna read the new API here, New York Times API. Okay, and they will return some latest New York Times. Yeah. So we prepare API key for you again. You don't have to create, but if you have any problem with quota, you can create by yourself. Then they will retrieve this data for you. Okay, so this assignment we're gonna focus on two stuff: intent and action bar. Okay, so take a look at the requirement. Sorry. So show the UI. So by when the application start, it will have a search. Okay, you can search for stuff. Okay, you can click on the filter option over here, up the action bar. You can click here and you bring up the daytime picker, right? You know that's library, and you choose the day you want to. You have a spinner. A spinner is like a selector in HTML. Okay, you click it here, it's gonna show two options on this and new this. You can choose, and you can click here and save, and you get a filter function. Okay, so you filter here. You can use clip. This time you recycle view. Okay, so recycle view have layout manager. Okay, so a layout manager will decide how your item gonna be arranged. You can arrange it at a list, one at a time, or you can arrange it at a grid or stagger. A stagger is like Pinterest style, you know. They don't have the same size, the Pinterest style. Okay, I'm gonna introduce it later. And more advanced, you can implement short view on the top of action bar. And click here, and it's bring up a new dialog. You can save it. And here is the stagger view. So it's different from the grid. They don't have the same size. They don't stand in one line. Okay. And for more advanced, you can implement infinity scroll. It means when you scroll down, they will call the API for more data. For example, I can put here page. Okay. Page 10. So they will add more data for you. So by default, the base will be 0. When you scroll down, you ask the API for more data. You pass in base 1, base 2, base 3, base 4, okay, and it load more when you scroll down. Okay, so that's it. So I gotta do it today. So because of saving time, I have created a model for you. Okay, some stuff here. But if you take a look, so very annoying. You have response before, and you have docs and stated. So if you use retrofit, okay, maybe you have an object named response and then docs. So it's very annoying. See, we have a model named article, which is this guy, okay, and then we have short response maybe for the docs, and we have response model. So it's very annoying. So if you guys learn backend, if you guys Java developers, they usually do this. It's very annoying. Okay, for demo, I gonna sorry, close that. New file.